This video explains how to get started with a survey, which you can later share with your respondents for mapping. We are in the new survey menu item under the My Surveys section. In the top right corner, you can see how many surveys are available in your subscription, as well as the number of surveys you are currently using. You can either choose to create a completely new survey with your own questions, competencies, taxonomy, styling, and structure. Here you need to click the Create New Clean Survey button. This is the same menu also found in the Survey Builder menu item. We have created a separate video for building surveys from scratch. This can be found on the MapUs tutorial page under the name Survey Builder, or it can be found on YouTube in the info box. You can also copy one of your existing surveys on the platform. This can be used if you only need to make small changes, or perhaps need to translate it into another language. Here you need to click the Go to My Surveys button to go to the overview of all your surveys. Here you can also click My Surveys in the menu to go to the same place. Under My Surveys, you can select one of your surveys to open and click this button to copy the survey. We also discuss My Surveys in a separate video, which can also be found on the MapUs tutorial page or on YouTube in the info box. Finally, you can choose to add one of the MapUs certified framework surveys. Here, we have used our expertise to design questions and competencies in a survey framework you can use. When you copy a framework survey, you get a fully editable version of this survey for your own profile. Here you can see an available survey that you can open and copy. Then, in the corner, you can go directly to the Survey Builder and start customizing your survey. Then, under the My Surveys menu item, you can see all your created and added surveys.